Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. Today what we're going to be doing is actually waiting for the truck to come with the 5th Gen 3S GTE. I'm super excited on this motor. I've been waiting for this motor for so long already. I was trying to find it. I finally found one, located it, bought it. Super clean. I have to still do like the breakdown test. I have to open it up when the carrier gets here just to make sure that everything does look good and specs out well. Because like I said, I wouldn't want to put a garbage motor into this car after everything that I've done to it so far, you know? We will be replacing seals and doing all that fun stuff, but let's get to it. Let's hope that this guy comes super quick right now, hopefully, and we can get this stuff done. I had to go and actually buy another engine stand because the 3VZ is still using the other engine stand that I do have. So now I got 2 engine stands, would be great. More bills, quicker times. So let's get to it. Let's hope this guy comes soon. So this is kind of where we're at so far, guys. Everything is pretty cleaned up in here. Tape this up. This car is actually going to get fully painted tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we're taking it, calling the tow truck, taking it to go get fully painted. We are doing the it's Super Red 3 it comes up. I'm not sure why, but look at it. I mean, it's ready. Hard top is nice and clean. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you guys can see the glare. It is super fresh. So it's all ready. No dents, no nothing. Look at this body. Nothing. Everything is all ready. Then shortly after, we're going to detail. After the car comes back, get a nice detail going. Get the windshield put back on. Put all these things we have for this 5th gen. All these extra parts that are going to be painted as well. But yeah, I can't wait. See, I had to buy another engine stand because this here occupies this one. So it'd be kind of cool having 2 motors side by side like that, like dual builds. All this stuff here is what's going to get powder coated. All of them, everything here has its color, what it's going to be. Most likely I'm going for that wrinkle black or satin black type of theme. It's going to be kind of a black on black type of thing for the motor. So you'll see how it comes out. It's going to look good. I was kind of skeptical on doing all that stuff or just making the valve cover silver and go kind of stock everything. But we'll see how things go, because I really want to keep it as stock as possible and let the new owner or the next owner choose the coloring that they would want, you know what I mean? So if I could keep it stock as possible, give them the opportunity to do something a little different if they wanted to. So most likely that's what I'll do, but let's hope this truck comes through here sometime soon with this motor. Hey guys, so we just got a call that the truck is here and it's backing up down the alley. There it goes. So the 5th gen is home. Now it's time to get to the nitty gritty and get it all done. So let's go. It's here. It's here. I'm excited. Here it goes.
Oh my God.
We got the motor. He's bringing down the motor right now. I can't wait to see how it looks. I got to look into it, just make sure I open it up and make sure everything looks good. So let's get to it. Got the motor in from JDM New York. I talked to these guys a couple times just to make sure that they had the right motor and everything was good. They sent me pictures of the oil cap being removed and stuff like that. So I'm going to open it up right now and check it out. It's supposed to come with ECU and everything, so you will see. Yep. Everything looks good so far. I'm gonna lift up the foil cap for you to see. Come and check this out. Look at how clean that is. Super clean. Got a little bit here on this harness. It seems a little cut, but everything should be good. I'm gonna send it out to Doug anyway. So far so good. All right, boys, here she is. There's no shaft play at all. This is great. It's like no movement. This motor looks great, man. This is just, I'm excited. I'm ready to do this thing. I want to take this apart and just get it cracking already. A little dirty, nothing too crazy, nothing that a little wipe can't fix, but I'm not going to be using this anyway. But we got a little crack here, so I'm going to have to get a new one of these, which is no big deal. This is the 5th gen. It looks like my paperwork has verified 54,000 miles. I thought it was going to be unverified, but it's a verified 54,000, so I'm okay with that. I'm totally okay with it. I'm still tripping on. Oh crap! I'm still spazzing out on this. Look at this. Look at how clean this is. This is crazy. This is just nuts. This motor is. I think my lens is dirty. There we go. This is amazing. So here it goes, guys. We got it. We got the 5th gen, and it's going to be ready to go. Hey, everybody. Now that we got the motor in, next steps are going to be building that engine stand, putting it together, getting that motor on top of it, and calling it a night. So let's get to it so then we can start tomorrow morning. Since time kind of ran away from us, it's kind of dark already and super cold, if you guys can't tell. We're going to have to revisit the situation in the morning and go from there. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is the next morning, bright and early, getting ready to start this journey to getting this thing finished. So I just got a call from the tow truck driver saying that the tow truck is on its way to come and pick this bad boy up. It's gonna get painted. Like, this thing is super, 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 super exciting, just because I'm to the point where I am just dying to put this motor in and get it looking super right, super fresh, and selling it off to a new owner. So let's get to it. Let's make sure everything inside is strapped down and ready to go. So then when the tow truck comes, they just pick it up and take it. It's getting painted, guys. Okay, so now the car is gone. Tow truck has it. We're in the process, guys. We're in it. We're sending it. So let's get it done. Now what I'm going to do right now is actually put the motor on the engine stand, so then we can actually just have it up ready and start the breakdown soon, okay? So let's get to it. All right, guys, I got the 3S GTE 5th gen on the engine stand. Finally, I think the hardest part is putting it on the engine stand. The thing is crazy hard for some reason. But it's kind of leaning, so I hope once I start removing some things off, it will be a little bit more leveled, I guess. But I'm missing a couple bolts which I'm going to put in, but for right now I just wanted to have it standing on the engine stand. It's in comparison to the 3VZ, it's almost the same size, which is kind of cool. 3VZ looks a little smaller, I guess, but it also has less things on it, but whatever. So we got it up there. Good thing is it's finally up here, finally in the garage, so we can start doing some stuff to it. So as of right now, guys, let's switch over back. All right, guys, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. All the links will be down below. Thank you again. Can't do this without you guys. Again, I appreciate every single one of you subscribers. Thank you for being so interactive and commenting and stuff like that. I greatly appreciate it. Again, this is Nasty Addiction. We build with purpose, guys. Until next time.